Random is live. Participants. Easy. Gotta learn 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yoink. That one teams. 8. Itchy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oops, no, went backwards. Copy that. Random is complete, and the teams are Van Houten with Nuggets and Wizards, Michael Paul Hawks, Matt Brown Hornets, Glenn Jackson Celtics, Adam Ferreira Spurs, Jules Seaber, whatever, Pistons, Josh Himes Jazz, Nick Powell Kings, Dale Bucks, Deegan Rockets and Knicks, Simon Bard Grizz, Brendan Blazers, Hudson Clippers, Lanyon Pelicans, Adam Ferreira Nets, Dale Warriors, Ash Peters Magic, Michael Lanyon Raptors, Thomas Parlak Pacers, Johnny Deegan Cavs and Bulls, Dale Thunder, Marcus Lakers, Brendan Heat, Garth Manning Suns, Sasha Hill Mavericks, Josh Himes Sixers, and Brendan the Wolves. Where's that?